He likes it when you give him raisins.
He does like it.
Sometimes he flies up there before you even get the windows shut.
Gets a little bit impatient. Is this what you want? You want some raisins? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. What kind?
Oh, you can do it.
Thanks. Oh, he almost flew back. Wow.
Yeah, see, that's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Yeah, you can't come in here. I mean, like, you'll get stuck in here, and that won't be good for you at all. So, but I know you're hungry, so okay. There you go, buddy. There you go. You ready?
Screen.
Screen down
Okay, bud.
and back away. And here it goes. And he's like, no, 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 no. That's what I wanted. Oh, that's the good stuff. Oh, that's what I wanted. Oh, it's
He
like,
was down there defending the bottom part.
it's like when the dog like gets scratched behind the ear. Oh, that feels so good.
That's nice because I didn't actually turn the camera on.
Yeah.
On the windowsill.
It's okay. He's out
Somebody's in my spot.
Do you want to park in line?
Yeah.
Okay.
I parked in front of